Okay, let's keep talking. I have some other ideas that have come up. Um, okay. Um, Winnie's. Saw that you put a you put two things up. You put the song up, which combines you singing about your music dream and your family dream. That's the one that you picked out of the whole album. So I know that that was for encouragement. And then I was thinking about the pickle, which I'm not really sure what it is, but um, the LE also goes along with the thing I made up about Oxley. And so I was wondering if it's a good idea for me to keep making up little things like that for us to build up off experience when you put things out like that. And how we can blend together with that idea of seeming dreams together because of the what did you talk about, a cab simulator, which I have to go back and read about that too. But how I connect with that is cabinets, building cabinets. And when you are showing me those things, I can always build little future oriented hopes with it. And that's a way of doing faith, trust building exercises. Wait, there was something else that I wanted to bring up. Let me see if I can think about what it was. Oh, okay. Yeah, this one's going to be pretty deep. Okay, you said talk about anything. Okay, so you said you had on the Twitter X. You had Pippi, quit jumping on me like that. You had a picture of a man looking teary eyed, and the words underneath said, "Hold on." Okay, there, you have another song named "Hold On." I think it had rain involved in it, if I remember correctly. Um, so when I was thinking about what I said about if you love somebody, then it would be way too difficult for you to allow yourself to pretend to be in a relationship with somebody else or to even kiss or let them see you kiss somebody else. Okay, so that's what I said about you doing that family thing with Brigitte. And then I also tried to think about you having teary eyes yourself and that that maybe because of the okay, this is one aspect of it because of the the Cujo Beats thing that we went through with all the receipts and all of those things and how good gracious Pippi quit, okay, You can be held, but quit trying to put your nose in my mouth. Okay. So that's like, yeah, I'm distracted. With the Cujo beats and seeing that guy with his teary eyes and thinking about creating memories for ourselves that I probably need to pull away from what I'm doing where I've gotten attached because we need to do that together so we don't have to go through doing what we did before with having to dub over old memories to make our own memories. Okay? So we need to. Chico! No! Okay? No! Quit! God! They're getting wild. And I swear, it's something to do with the things that they see me get lit up about makes them re-energize themselves. Okay, it seems like that. No. Let's see. Okay, that's one aspect. Okay, that's a commitment building thing that we can do together. Okay, we can add little ideas to the things that we're doing when we are looking at each other. That's something that we can do today. We don't have to be incapacitating ourselves until the day we get to see each other. And then, so the other thing that I wanted to bring up with the idea of loss and what you did with the Brigitte thing, and me thinking back about seeing those wedding pictures or whatever it was I saw of Jonathan and his wife in Jamaica, or having a Jamaican wedding. Or that's what I thought, that that a person who loved you would not pretend to be in a fake relationship with somebody else. So that would hurt too bad. They wouldn't be able to do that to you. And they wouldn't want to be able to experience that kind of loss. So it's a big, hopefully I'm explaining it well enough that I do see the correlation, I think, of what you're trying to suggest. But like I said, I don't always know. I don't always know. I wish I could have all of your thoughts about what it's like to have known me. I do. And also, you knew I was thinking about that song you did in the very beginning, the Data song, when you were talking about Put Down the Cake. So, the fundamental thing that we have in common is an understanding of heartbreak, heartache. Was that it? We're choosing each other, most definitely. So what else would you like to hear out of me? How about the deepest, the lowest voice I can go, and the highest voice I can go, and then I'll try and do a medium one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, oh. Quit! Oh, oh, oh. Okay, now let's do the highest one. Ow! Okay, now we'll do medium. Ooh. Stop! No! No! That's it. Okay. Now, here is a day where you've seen me emptied out. Emptied out, emptied out, emptied out. What day are you going to be in Abilene? Please say more than soon. Please tell me a day. A soon date. A number date. Tell me a date. Tell me a date. One is fun. Fun is one. Let me have it, you little rabbit. Love me till the day I die. If you qualify. Babykins, 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 babykins. Let me have it, you little rabbit. Let me have it, you little rabbit. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Let me have it, you little rabbit. Let me have it, you little rabbit. Fun is one is fun. One fun is one is fun. Let me have it, you little rabbit. Let me have it, you little rabbit. Let me have it, you little rabbit. Rabbit, 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 rabbit. Rabbit, rabbit. Oh, quit.